CLO has new features and I will show you some of them today. Lock graphics and trace improvements. If you place a print on your garment, you have two options to lock it. One is to lock the placement. For example, you have a placement here, I don't know, to the left and up. That's my placement. Now when I lock it, I cannot move it. I can only scale it. So that's one lock. And the other one is up here. When you lock it here, then you can move it, but you cannot scale it. So the size is locked. You have new options when you select the trace tool. Usually you could trace lines. Now you can trace shapes. For example, I can trace this shape, then click here, trace it as a new pattern piece. I can also fill in trace. That's for overlapping shapes. For example, I want to create a raglan sleeve out of this. Let's put in some lines. I cut and sew them. Now I want to combine these shapes. Let's move it over here. This here, it's just as an example. And now I take my trace tool and I select everything and take the fill and trace option. Now I have a new shape. I can delete this and make it the same here, like this. And again, select everything with the trace tool and trace it as a new sleeve pattern. Of course, I have to adjust it, but that's just for example. Next option is trim. For example, I want to cut out this circle. I select this area and the middle area and then the trim option. And now I have the cutout. And the last option is slice. For example, if I select the whole sleeve here and I take the slice option, put this here, now it split the sleeve into 3 parts.